Welcome back to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Okay, have you seen the calendar planner 2025? They're 150. 150 maybe because it comes with I think it's 150. I see the decoration. Oh, puppies. 150. Oh. It comes with monthly planner. That's the decoration. This one, all good things are wild and free. That or this one, live your dream, is 150. Oh, this is cute. Look. Or this.
Cute. New planner.
Cute.
Yeah, but
It's $1.50. The other one comes with the planner. This one does not come with the planner. You do the DIY. Did you cut that one? And Mod Podge it. I don't know. Expecting good things. Everything's a fresh start. A pause read. Focus on good. It's gonna be a good day. I like this one. I think this one. Garden rose is so hard to do garden. I think I like this one. Yeah, I think I like this. Farmers market always be. Yeah, do small things with great love. Be fearless. Oh, fearless. I like that one too. Pause to read. Enjoy all the little things. What is this? It's the most wonderful time of the year. I can't read it. It's $1.50. All the same. They give things. They have they also have the pineapple papaya. Let me know if this one is good. Oh, I did not bring my other phone to check. This is far away from my home, so. And I also have the coconut shampoo. Okay, they have these. Oh look, it's pretty. They have another one. And the lemonade. like this. So pretty. And even this one. Ah, do I need it? Do I need it? If you want for your Christmas, how many days left? How many days before Christmas? How many days before Halloween? And this. And that. You want the garland, the maple garland. Alright, so the birds, already have the birds. And like how many birds? This and that. I think there are 4 birds. No, 3 birds. That's right, 3 birds. And the car, there are 3 of them. That one and this one. That's yes. I like the toys. So many toys. And here guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's Ma'am Sky. See you in my next videos. Bye!